We have a late 2009 Volvo C30 1.6 SE. This one's a category N, non-structural from the insurance company, and it's got 37,000 miles on the clock and 2 keys. Yeah, 37, and it's one owner, which is really great. So the damage is just on that side, but you won't see it unless I go really close. So, in short, it's a good, straight, clean car all the way around. And also inside it's great as well, and it should be with 37,000 miles, and it looks it, apart from needing maybe a hoover, it's clean and unworn, which is great. You see the mileage on that? Yes, we can. 37,160, and it's super hot today, 29 degrees, so it's a bit sunny, and hopefully you can see the back of it. But all good around there, and the back, and the top, and in the boot it still has its kit in here, so it's got a proper tyre jack and stuff. It doesn't have an inflation kit. Right, the damage part, all the way good here. Sorry about the reflections here, but here we go. It's the door, and it's got a dent there, a dent there, and you might not be able to see it, but it's buckled the door slightly around here like this, so that's got to be repaired. So a bit of filler and a bit of paint, that would have been okay, but I was lucky enough to get another door in the same color code, which is 352, I think, which is sapphire metallic. Apart from a couple of little nicks on it will be polished out, this is all good. And it's even got its door locks, its mech, and its speaker and stuff in it as well, so it really is going to be an easy fix. It's the strap, electrical connections, and 2 bolts that just drop in, and a little bit of an aligning up. So that's going to be bolted on in about 10-15 minutes, which is amazing. So to recap, one owner, 1.6 Volvo C30, 37,000 miles, and it's going to be pretty much exactly the same with just a different door bolted on, but in the same color. So how much? That's the question. These are £4,500 to £5,000. If you can find one at this mileage. It's Cat N, but it really isn't. There's no real damage on this car at all. With that door on, it's going to be the same. So I guess £3,500, and that will make someone a lovely little car.